So welcome to the live Forex market analysis daily trading report, where we look at the markets before the price moves. There's no Monday morning quarterbacking here in this portion of the program. Since this program can result in financial gain as well as financial loss, please take a moment and pause the video at each of our risk disclaimers. Now let's take a look at the live market. Let's take a look at the live price action on the Euro-US dollar, where we look to plan and strategize a trade before the market moves. Now, this was our trade from the July 19th session. Again, we're looking for the July 20th session. And price spiked below this low. This is what we were looking for in the previous session. And we have our stop above this high. And if you're still in this trade, then we're still waiting patiently for the market to pay us or to stop us out. But if you haven't entered into this trade yet, or this is your first time viewing the video, we want to remember that we're still in a downtrend on the Euro-US dollar on the daily. On the 8-hour, we still have that big spike down from Brexit and the consolidation that's been going on now for a couple of weeks that's followed it. So we have a downward trend here. We still have a downward trend on the 8-hour. And we're still in a downward trend here on the 2-hour as well. So if we have not already initiated a position based on the trade yesterday, what can we do today? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take away this trend line from our previous sessions because it doesn't mean anything to us right now. We'll still continue to leave this one here for the time being. So since everything is still to the downside, what we can do now is we're going to get a trend line, get our trend line tool, and we're going to draw the trend line based on these lows here. And it's going to be very simple. We're going to look to enter on a break of this trend line. Our stop is going to go back here above these most recent highs in the cycle. And cycle highs are something we talk about in our training videos. So our stop's going to go above here. And again, we're going to continue to look for price to break through this support level and move on down to test these Brexit lows. So that's the trade we're going to be looking for the upcoming July 20th session on the Euro-US dollar. We've received a few emails that have said, why are we not looking for trades to the upside? Trades to the upside do have some potential or possibility, but right now we're looking in the thinner summer markets for good trade entries in the direction of our longer term trends. A break below this trend line, our stop above this high here, looking to target our lows of this congestion level for profit, or even the lows from the Brexit. Thanks for taking some time to join me in this live trade analysis of the Euro-US dollar before price moves.